Welcome. In front of me is REALME GT Neo 5, and in this video I will show you what to do if your fingerprint sensor doesn't recognize your fingerprint. So in such case we'll have to set up a new fingerprint for this device. To do that, go to Settings, then select Security and Privacy. Then here, go to Device Unlock, and go to Fingerprint and Face Unlock, select Fingerprint, agree, and before you add a new fingerprint to your device, or first of all remove all the previous ones, and after that also make sure that the screen protector that you're using is a genuine one, or at least not a cheap one, because other screen protectors may affect fingerprint recognition, since it's ultrasound recognition, and some cheap screen protectors don't allow the sensors to recognize your fingerprint. And also, before setting up a fingerprint, wipe the surface of the screen using a dry towel to make sure that fingerprint is read more precisely. Then when you're ready, click Add Now and place your finger on the sensor. Touch it with different parts of your fingerprint. Okay, and when you're done, click Done. And before we proceed, let's also check if our device is up to date. To do that, go back to Settings, then scroll down to System Updates, Software Update, and check if your device has any updates to install. As you can see, mine is up to date, but if you do have some updates to install, then take your time and download and install them. And before we proceed, let's turn off the phone by holding down the power key and the volume up button and selecting Restart. Then wait until your phone reboots. And once your phone is restarted, let's first unlock it using the screen lock pattern, and then let's try to use our fingerprint. And as you can see, it went pretty smoothly for me, and I hope it did for you too. And if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.